Hey beauties, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to be doing this look here that you guys see, and I'm going to be using the Plouise palette. But not only am I going to be using the Plouise Secret Center palette, but this video is also a collaboration with 3 other talented ladies. So we have Angelic, Maggie, and Helen. I believe Angelic and Maggie are both doing YouTube videos as well, so I'll link those down below. That way you guys can go ahead and watch them and let them know that Rose sent you. And Helen is going to be posting her look using the same palette on Instagram, so I'll leave her link down below as well. And again, just let her know that Rose sent you. I teamed up with these 3 girls because we all love the Plouise palette, and we all have like just different creative mindsets. So we all pretty much just wanted to team up together and share with you guys just different looks that you can come up with while using this bad boy. So without further ado, if you're not already subscribed, please hit that subscribe button. I would greatly appreciate it. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Okay. Can you go to the room, please? Let me finish? Yeah. Okay, back to the program. And comment down below. Let me know if you guys like these type of videos where I collaborate with other YouTubers or Instagrammers or artists in general, and I'll continue to do them for you guys. Now, if you guys want to see how I got this look here, then stay tuned and keep on watching. Bye guys. Alright y'all, so the eye is already prepped with the Plouise base shade 1 as always. I mean, not shade 1, shade 2. As always. So the first shade we're going to go in with is called Love Shy, and we're pretty much going to put this into the crease. Now, I had so much trouble doing this eye. I try to get it as close as possible to the other eye, but I always have issues with my right eye. It's just a different shape and everything. So yeah, I was happy that I was eating. But that's the first shade we go in with, and I pretty much just pack it on into the crease first, getting that general shape as I always do for all of my looks, and then I start to blend it out in small circular motions, but very lightly. I don't blend it out like all the way up. I just, you know, keep that blend right in its place. Okay, so as you guys see, I got my shape, whatever. I was just finishing up with the last minute blends. And then the next shade I go in with is kind of like a hot pink, almost like a red pink. And it's called Velvet Kiss. So that's the second shade that I go in with. That's it there. And I go ahead and I start to blend that and mix it right in with Love Shy. So you guys can see here, I start to blend it, and I just take my time with blending. You guys don't see how much time I actually take with blending, because if you did, this video would be super long. But I do take my time. I always go back and forth with shades to make sure everything is blended to perfection, and also to make sure that I don't lose any of the previous colors. So I want to make sure each shade that I use when I am blending, that it is as pigmented as it was when I first put it down. So yeah, that's pretty much what I do. And then the third shade that I use, yeah, my son wanted to say hi. But the third shade that I did use from the palette is called Amore. And I use that pretty much to blend as the third shade up into the brow area. So that's what I'm doing here. Alright, so now everything's blended to how I want it to be. Now I'm going to go in and cut my crease, and you guys are not going to see much of that because I was eye focused the entire time. But I used one of the color bases from Plouise, and I used the shade Winter Rose. And I went in with a pink base because I am going to go in with the shade S&M from the palette. And I wanted that shade to be like very like pigmented and vibrant, as you guys can see from the other eye. So this is, I think, pretty much what you're gonna see as far as, you know, the whole cutting the crease process, because again, it takes forever and I just wasn't in frame. So I'm just patting on S&M onto the lid, and having that pink base underneath is just gonna help make that pink pop even more. So that's what I'm doing here. Alright, so for liner, I go in with the Inglot number 77 gel liner. It's my favorite liner. I just can't do liquid liner. It don't matter how hard I try or practice, it just does not work out for me. Gel liner is my jam, and the Inglot one is like my fave. So because I wanted you guys to see like how I do the wing and everything, I just zoomed out for you guys so you can see, because there's so many people that be like, oh my gosh, like your wing, and tape is the key. Tape is the only way that I can get my wing very sharp and even on both sides, because if I freehand it, they are not going to look the same at all. So tape is pretty much my best friend. But yeah, I did the liner, and then after liner, I go in with a glitter. And the glitter that I use is from Midas Cosmetics, and it was a collaboration with another Instagrammer, Glow Without Guilt, and the shade that I use is called Melanie. It's a very, very pretty purple mix. So it has like your fine glitter along with some chunky glitter, and you get like your purples and pinks. So that's it there. And then the glue that I use is from Lit Cosmetics. I use their liquid glue. It just works really, really good. Alright, so I did lashes and everything, and I also applied the Plouise base underneath the eyes as well to prep for the lower lash line area, and I also put some gel liner on the waterline. The lashes that I'm using are from Morphe. It's, I believe they're premium lashes in the style chummy. So once I finish like blending out the base and everything like that, and just patting it into place, I'm pretty much just going to go in with the same colors that I used on the eyes, and I'm just bringing that on the lower lash line, just keeping it directly underneath the line, not underneath the line, underneath the lower lash area. I'm not bringing it into like the outer corner or anything like that.
So yeah, that's pretty much that. For my face, I did my entire face off camera because I was actually doing a review video for a foundation. So if you guys want to see that, you have to stay tuned. That video will be up on Thursday. But yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please go ahead and check my girls out. I'll have all of it. I will have all of their links listed down below. That way you guys can check out their videos and their Instagrams, and just let them know that Rose sent you. But yeah, that is it. Thank you guys for watching. Please hit that subscribe button if you're not already. Like, comment, give it, do the whole shebang bang. Follow me on my social media, and I love you guys, and thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.